Hello, it's really? Okay, well, it's us again, Sophia, Marie, and Noah.
Yeah, because I get a better stuff than Steve.
And this is my brother Noah right there. He's quite ugly.
Hey!
And I have no idea who that is.
Oh, yeah.
That's just a total stranger. Don't talk to strangers. That's bad.
Yeah, I do.
So, come on.
I'm getting.
Wait, you can shift in this game?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, you can.
Really?
Dibs. You go in my car. I know this spot is. Hurry up.
I'll stay on top.
No, you're not. You're gonna fall off.
Fine. I'm coming.
Hurry the up.
Hurry it up.
It's fair. Are you in yet?
Yes. I'll bend in for like 2 seconds.
2 seconds.
Yes. Yeah, I was camping where we just passed.
Get your bear spray ready.
Yeah, it's gonna be far up. Yeah, fell.
Aw, look at the little guy. Oh my gosh.
What?
The guy was so little. Here we go, up the dangerous mountain.
Say what?
I said up the dangerous mountain. Oh, by the way, guys, we're playing backpacking, and you can only play this on computers, I think.
And phones. I played on Daddy's phone before.
Ah, why are people so small?
Yeah. This is cute. Like tornado.
Tornado where? Okay.
It's morning.
What do I do?
Run away from it. That's
I want to go to your spa.
okay, go to it then.
So glitchy.
No,
This is so
stop
hard.
crashing.
It's hard. Drive a truck in backpacking where it's literally a thin mountain.
Yeah, pretty much. It sucks.
Up, up, up and away.
Up and away.
Okay. Are we? Oh wow, we're going downhill. Cool. Let's see. Let's look at our map. So it says we're supposed to go through here, through a mountain. Then go over there to the spa. Perfect. Just follow this path and we'll be good.
Only if I had a Lamborghini.
Where's Lamborghinis?
Yes. In this game, yes.
Oh, that's cool.
I just saw someone just drove me over a Lamborghini. They drove
People
me
are
over.
so tiny.
But
Including
we're
your
the
mom.
only people that are tall. I'm taller than Sophia.
You're not.
Yes, I am.
Not in real life.
In the game.
Oh my gosh. Look up.
I can't.
Well, there's a tornado
There's a tornado.
right next to us.
I don't see it.
Doy.
What the heck?
Exactly.
I've never been
Down we go. Oh God.
What?
God.
No!
Sorry. I did not mean to say God.
Just X that part out.
No, it's fine.
Right, Smith?
No.
The bad word.
It's not a bad word. We just don't say
I'm
it.
a terrible driver.
Okay. Let's see where the spot is.
I'll come to that.
Okay, down the hill we go. Down we
We're barely
go.
there.
Yeah, we are. We're almost there.
Oh, yeah. What the heck?
Down.
See, someone's going our way, too.
So we have to go through this. Ah! Wasn't me.
Yes, it was.
Really?
What?
Did it have to flip us backwards? There. There we go. Where are you going? the middle of our video? In the middle of our video? Couldn't you do that during a break? We're here! Oh, wow. It has a water slide. We're here, guys. I cannot.